today we'll be making challah bread, coffee cake, and sugar cookies. And right now we'll be measuring out the challah bread. 1 pound and 2 ounces. And we're going to put it in the mixing bowl. Next we'll be doing yeast. That will be 25 ounces. Do the water, it will be 8 ounces. Next we'll be doing the egg yolks. Next will be the vegetable oil, 2 ounces. Next is sugar, which is 2 ounces too. There we go, 2 ounces. Pour it in. And then salt will be 30 ounces. And we're going to let it mix for 4 minutes. Now we're going to add it up to 3, 4, 5 minutes. Now it's done. We're going to let it rise for 25 minutes. Cover it up. After we let it rise for 25 minutes, we're going to put some flour on this spot right here. Not too much though. There we go. And open it. Then we're going to scrape it out. Okay, now I'm going to cut this in half. This out. I'm going to cut the other half to another half again. These two right here. Another half. Then I make into 4 little dough balls. And then I'm going to cut these again. And then now I'm going to roll them out. Now that my bread is all rolled out, I'm going to get these 2 pieces and pinch the top. Then I'm going to go twist it. Now I'm going to repeat the process 3 times. Now that I finish my bread, twisting my bread, I'm going to get 2 now and twist those 2. I'm going to pinch these ones. Then I'm going to twist these now. And now I'm going to do the same thing with this. Now that my challah bread is done, I'm going to put it in the prepared sheet. Right here. And then I'm going to let it sit. Now that it's double sized, we're going to put egg wash on it lightly. Now we're going to put it in the convection oven in 325 degrees for 25 minutes. Now that 25 minutes is up, I'm going to get the bread out. And here's the bread. Since I finished the challah bread, I'm going to start the sugar cookies. So as you can see, I have everything prepped, so I'm going to start with the flour. That was 2 cups and 3/4. Then I'm going to start with the baking soda, 1 teaspoon. And then the baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Then I'm going to whisk it. And now I'm going to, in the mixture, I'm going to add the sugar. And the butter. Soft butter. Then we're going to let that whisk until it gets fluffy and creamy. Okay, now that it's light and fluffy, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then I'm going to do 1 egg. I'm going to pour it in the mixing bowl. And then I'm going to put it mixing. Now that it's combined, we're gonna add the dry ingredients in. A little by a time. Now that my dough is formed, I'm gonna put it on this plastic wrap. Wrap it up. And then let it chill for 30 minutes. Now that 25 minutes is up, I'm gonna get the bread out. Now that the dough chilled for 30 minutes, we're gonna get a scoop of it. Form it into a ball. Make sure you have space. I'm gonna grab the cup, sugar, and push down on it. Make sure you twist. And there you go, and I got to do 11 more left. Now that I finished the other 11 cookies, we put it in the oven for 375 to 8 to 10 minutes. Since we finished the hollow bread, the sugar cookies, now we're onto the coffee cake, and we're doing the strudel topping. And I already prepped the ingredients, so first we're going to do the flour, half a cup of flour, and then a half a cup of sugar. And we're going to do 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then whole diced butter, 4 tablespoons. Then I'm going to mix them by hand until they get clumpy. Since I finished the topping right here, I put it on the side. Then I'm going to start with the cake mix, dry ingredients. I'm going to start with the flour, 2 cups of flour. Then 1 cup of sugar. And then 1 teaspoon baking powder. And then 1/2 a teaspoon of baking soda. And then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then just gonna whisk it up. Then next I'm gonna do the dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, I'm gonna do 1 cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then 1/2 cup of oil. Then I'm going to add 2 large eggs. There's already 1. And then put it in here. And then I'll whisk it. Once I'm done whisking, I'm going to put it with the dry ingredients now. And now I'm going to mix it. Adding the paddle attachment. Then I'm going to add the liquid. Put a little mix. Be a little lumpy at the end. It'll be fine. Okay, I prepared my pan. Now I'm going to add batter. Use my glue scoop. Put that down. Then I'm going to flatten it out. And now, the sponge toppings. Crumble some on here. Repeat the process. And after that, I'm gonna marble it up. Go. Then I'm gonna put it in the oven for 350 for 35 minutes. Done.